In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Spotify Premium. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, regardless of whatever you're on, whether you're on like an iPhone, Android, or anything like that, or a PC. So what you want to do is go over to your Spotify application. If I go to the top left where it has my profile icon, and then I go over to something like settings and privacy, I'm going to see a lot of different things, but I'm going to see a count at the very top where it says premium plans. So all I got to go ahead and do is if I click premium plans, it's going to say get more and stuff like that. But on another account of mine, I have Spotify, like the premium version. What I want to do is go over to my browser of choice, then go ahead and type in Spotify. And I'm going to see Spotify right there. Now, what I'm going to do is click my profile icon on the top right. As you can see, I have a billing thing right there. Go ahead and click on premium like so, and then I can go ahead and change the plan, but it also says cancel subscription. Once you press cancel, it says how you listen will change. Then I can just press continue cancel, and it's going to say if you cancel, you'll change to our free plan immediately and lose access to all subscriber benefits. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and press yes, cancel, and you'll be good to go.